You want to set the height of it to your armpit. This will allow you to get under the bar safely. Now, I don't like doing a traditional back squat because of the angle. This is so vertical that it's not going to actually hit that same position you will on a regular squat. So I'm actually going to do kind of like a hack squat where my foot is in front of me when I do this, okay? So I'm going to have my feet in front of me slightly. I'm going to maintain a very vertical torso, and it's going to follow the same trajectory as the sled. Just like so. And I can come on up. The beautiful part is, because I don't have to worry about falling forwards and backwards, I go handless. So if I got an arm injury, I can still squat. I rolled my ankle, well, I don't got to worry about falling side to side. I can still squat, right? So there are benefits to the Smith machine despite some drawbacks, and that's because the stability portion is removed. Now, you're not going to be training your stability, but if you're really injured and you still want to load your quads or your glutes, which are healthy still, this is a great tool to do it.